Hi, I'm Rob Briggs. Welcome to my channel. It's about the pleasures and benefits of native plant gardening. The first pleasure, of course, is the beauty of the native plants themselves. And the first benefit is how the native plants attract wildlife to your garden. Butterflies and other pollinators and beneficial insects. Nesting birds, raccoons, squirrels, hummingbirds, lizards, a California king snake, a white egret, a great horned owl, and red-tailed hawks. Because when it comes to native plant gardens, if you build it, they will come. That is, the wildlife, butterflies and other pollinators, and beneficial insects will visit your garden. I invite you to spend some time reviewing my personal videos or the hundreds of other videos on native plants that I've compiled in separate playlists for you. Please check the playlist and enjoy my channel.